Are you trying to install AutoCAD 2026 and you receive this error message which says an error occurred while preparing for installation? So there may be different reasons why you receive this error message trying to install AutoCAD 2026, but I'm going to show you how I fix this issue at my workplace. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, if you are watching my YouTube channel for the first time, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let me go back again to my virtual machine. Here you can see I've downloaded AutoCAD 2026 and I've extracted the file to a temp folder on my C drive. You can actually place it on a different folder entirely than the temp folder. So what I did is what you need to do is you need to open the command prompt. When opening the command prompt here, you can see I've already browsed to the location where the file is located, and I have the command I'll be using, and I'm just going to paste it there. So look at this command. It says Installer.exe, which is the here we have the Installer.exe, and we have the install command. Then we have the strip install command deploy. Then we have it's going to be an offline underscore mode. User's interface is going to actually be a basic install, and also we also need to put the version of the Collection.xml. It's a Microsoft Edge files, and you can see we can open the file with using Microsoft Edge or, for example, Firefox. So the .xml, you need to actually place the version of that file. You can see the last command, which is install underscore version, and the version of the collection.xml. So you may receive that message if this code is not complete. So let me just first of all hit enter. So it seems as if nothing is happening, but behind the scene something is going on. You can see it's trying to. If I go to task manager here, we can actually check and see if Autodesk. You can see we have the Autodesk which is preparing to install. So it's when it's not preparing to install, and we may not receive that message, the error message I showed you earlier, because we don't have any error in this installation command. But if you have error in this installation command, of course it's going to display the error message which is going to display the installation error message. So please, before you make the installation, make sure that your command is complete. I'm going to leave this command. Look at the description of this video. You're going to see the command I use. You can try it yourself, and hopefully it helps you fix your issue. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this may take some time. Here you can see it's already installing the AutoCAD 2026. So it may take some time because this is actually a large file. So at this moment it's about 5%. It's going to go to 100%, and it will complete the AutoCAD installation. Thank you very much for your time, and goodbye.